what we're going to do now is we're going to talk about Google AdSense and the reason why you want it and how to set it up. Alright, number one, Google AdSense is a simple program that Google allows you to put some ads on your website that if anybody clicks on those ads, you get paid. It's as simple as that. You get a cost per click, you get a certain amount per click. Now, this is why it was so important to go ahead and build your site around the keyword that you're looking for, because if you're wanting a specific keyword, in this case I have my site acai berry. Alright, I built it all around this particular keyword, acai berry. Every post that I put on my site, that I write here, is about acai berry in some way. I post all the time. Now what I do is I usually go and look at the relevant news of the day about acai berry, and then I just go ahead and write a little article about it around that. And why that's so important is because Google AdSense will actually look at the content of your site and the main keys of it, and then it will only pull ads that have to do with that content. Okay, so if you notice, I've got here, yes, we have acai, we have acai berry side effects, we have here is the Google AdSense banners, or actually links. Alright, now there's some other banners I have on here that are not Google, and we'll get into those later, and I'll talk about how those work. But basically what we're going to do is we're going to set up a Google AdWords account, and we're going to go ahead and put some of these AdWords on our blog. Okay, so what you can do is go to Google AdSense, go to the sign up page. If you go to google.com and just type in AdSense, it'll bring you here. It shows you kind of some of the benefits of AdSense. Now, if you remember, when in our keyword research, we were trying to make sure that the keyword, the cost per click average on that was above $2. The reason for that is you want to make sure that every time someone clicks on this particular link right here, you're going to make a portion of that $2. Alright, so you can see if the average cost per click was $2.56, I just like to, on average, say it's about a quarter of what the average CPC is. Alright, this is not a hard, fast rule, but on average that's what it is. Alright, so if you want to see what you're going to make, I'm going to make 64 cents on that particular keyword when someone clicks through there, on average. Not exactly 64 every time, but somewhere around there, pretty close. Now that's important when you consider that over the average good keyword that you're looking for is going to drive, people are going to search over 10,000 searches a month for that exact phrase. Alright, and if you get a portion of those and you're going to make 60 cents for every person that comes to your site and clicks on one of these ads, you can see how that's going to add up pretty quickly. Alright, now if I go back to AdSense here and I want to sign up an account, I just go ahead and click up sign up now, and what you're going to do is you're going to give a site URL, the primary URL. Now you can just put in one URL, your domain name, and then you can use the same account for all your domain names. You don't have to set up a different AdSense account for each one of those. What you're looking for here is primarily just get the code from AdSense. Alright, so in this case, let's just say my acai berry times.com site. Alright, I'm going to choose my language. I happen to be an English speaking person, and that's where I'm targeting. So this is going to also ask me a couple of things. It's going to say, I will not place ads on sites that include incentives to click on ads. In other words, Google does not want you to just incentivize people to click on that ad. In other words, say, if I were to have something on my site that says, get a free iPod if you click on one of my AdSense ads, that's a problem. So, and then it says, I will not place my ads on sites that include pornographic content. Alright. Now, what you're also going to want to do is you're going to select the account type. In your case, you might want to just do an individual account. choose the country you're from, or that you want to go ahead and go for. Put in all your information, and this is important because this is the information that Google's going to use to send you a check. Alright, so you want to make sure that you fill out all of this information completely, and then you have then that makes sure that you're going to get your checks from Google. Alright, for all the people who have clicked on the ads on your site. Now I'm going to go back and I'm just going to log into a current AdSense account that I have.